Good morning and welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's doing good this morning. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a really nice looking sculpted angled cheek. Okay, I've got everything else on except for my contour and my highlight and my concealer, so I can show you exactly how to do this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is get my hair out of the way first so I can give you a nice look. And how I prep. Now, what I do so I don't have sideburns, I pluck all that hair, and otherwise I would have a sideburn, so that looks really hideous. Anyway, so that's how I did to, prepare all this area. And as a general rule, it looks really nice on a woman if you keep all this area nice and clean. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to start out with some concealer. Now what we want to do is mark off the area first. And what I want to do is I want to make a triangle like this. So I'm going to mark it off first. And then I don't want to go too far up on the nose, but I want to come straight down like this. Let's maybe intersect them here. I'm going to bring this all the way up here. And then what I'm going to do is put little circles right here to fill it in. Okay, so get all this filled in like that. And then what I'm going to do is do the other side. Okay, so it should look something like this. And now the next step, what you want to do is take the pointed side of your beauty blender, because you don't want to smear this anywhere. You want to keep it right here. So you just blend like so. So you just do this, blend it, and bring it all the way up to here. And do that on each side very carefully until it is all blended. Okay, the next step, I'm going to use my Anastasia Contour kit for this. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this color here, and I'm going to take my little finger, and I'm going to press that over where I just put the concealer. So I'm going to press this in the same areas that I have the concealer. That will be step number 2. So take your, your highlight out of any kit will work. I prefer to use a cream because a cream just kind of makes this look better. So what you do, get that patted on there, and I'm going to do both sides. All right, once you get this and this area done, take some more, and I want you to just go down your face like this. You want to get this area there, and you want to mark it off right here, but only like so. You see, because I want to bring it down like this. So you just put it like so, just to define this area real good. So that's what you do with your cream contour kit. All right, the next step, you want to set all this with some nice powder. Now, I used an oil-based primer, and so that allows me to put a lot of powder on my face. And that's a really good thing because I have dry skin. So, and I like the look that powder does, but my face is too dry for it. But I found an oil-based primer that works really good. All right, so taking a little brush. This is just an Ultra blush brush, but it works really good for this. It's, I have an Arbonne big powder brush, but I want this placed strategically in certain areas. I don't want it getting any further. So what you're going to do next is you're going to set everything you just did with a nice amount of powder. And I want you to bring it down here and then bring it down here. You want all this. You want this, this, this. You want this, this, and all this area in between. You want it really light, and you want it smooth and powder fresh nice. So, all right, so put your powder on and get that on there nice, and we'll go to the next step. Okay, so, and I've got a layer of powder and a layer of powder here that's going to have to be blended in, but I just want to mark this area off so I don't, go beyond the lines. Okay, so I'm taking this darkest color, and that would be, oh, I don't have my glasses on, but everyone knows what's in the Anastasia kit. At least I hope you do. Anyway, it's the darkest color in there. And now what I want to do is bring my contour like this. Just slightly down here. And that's what I'm going to do on each side. I'm going to bring my contour just down like this. You see? And I'm going to do the other side, and I'm going to blend it really good. And then I'll show you. Okay, so you can see how it comes down. And then it comes down. So you got a nice shadow there, a nice contour. All right, so the next thing, Sugar Box Meets Story. I'm going to take more of this orangey color. And then that's just going to go up like this, ever so lightly. You see, so you just have a little color there, but not much. You know, you want your cheekbones nice and angled. So get your blush on there, and then do the other side. And well, that's what I'm going to do. I'll be back. Okay, now go back and wipe off your powder really good. And that's it. That's how you get a nice angled cheekbone look. And I'll get one closer. All right, so take out my hair, fluff it up, and there it is. There is your angled cheekbone look. And I guess that's it. I just wanted to show you that real quick. And you guys all have a great day. And thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the button. All right, thank you.